When you get to the Screencast-O-Matic website, you'll click Start Recording. It'll take you to another page, which will give you the option to launch the recorder. The first time you launch this recorder, you'll be asked to download it. Once you've downloaded it, it'll take its time, but it will open up for you. When it opens up, you'll know it's opened up because you'll get a box that looks like this. So, there it is. So this box that I now have open, I can adjust the size of. So if I only want to record a certain part of my screen, I can do that. I can also change it to be full screen. So the options are as follows. You can record your screen, you can record your webcam, or you can record both. Right now I have it on narration, which means it's picking up my microphone. It will not record the computer audio unless you pay. So just know that that's something you'll have to consider. I have the size set and it's set at what I adjusted the window to. The other options include active window or full screen. In this case, I'm going to record the full screen. Now from here, whenever I'm ready to record, all I have to do is press record. And it'll give me my countdown. And it will start recording. So I can record. One of the bonus features that comes with the Screencast-O-Matic is if you stumble on your words, like I have a tendency to do, you can stop it. You can go back and listen to yours again. I have a tendency to do. And if I find something somewhere that I want to get rid of, I can actually remove that part and re-record it again. So I can fix my error. When I'm happy with everything that I've done, I click pause. I can preview and listen to it again. I can trash it, but I'm happy with it, so I'm going to click done. It'll give me a new pop-up window, and from this window I have options. I can save it as a video file. I can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. You have to be logged into an account to do that, or you can upload it straight to YouTube. One of the little features that I like to do is if I'm doing something and I don't want, can't do it from here. If you get the paid version, you can hide your cursor because right now it has this yellow ring around it and I don't like that. So when you're happy with it, you just either click upload or save file and it is that easy.